What's Out There? A book about solar system. Brought to you by early readers. Before we start, have you thought about where do we live? We live on a planet named Earth. Earth goes around the Sun, and the path it takes is called an orbit. Earth is part of the solar system. You may ask, what is solar system? The solar system has the Sun in the middle and everything that orbits or travels around the Sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moons, dwarf planets and countless asteroids, comets, and other small icy objects. Then where are the planets? The planets in the solar system, starting nearest the Sun and working outward, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. How far are the planets from the Sun? The 8 planets in our solar system each occupy their own orbits around the Sun. They orbit the star in ellipses, which means their distance to the Sun varies depending on where they are in their orbits. Our Earth orbits the Sun once every 365.3 days. The distance from the Sun at the closest point is approximately 152 million kilometers. Let's take a closer look. The universe is everything. It includes all of space and all the matter and energy that space contains. It even includes time itself, and of course, it includes you. Let's have a look at the 8 planets in details. Mercury is the smallest planet and is the closest planet to the Sun. It does not have any moons, and it can be both extremely hot and cold. Because it is always very near the Sun, you can see Mercury with a pair of binoculars or even the naked eye. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and is the brightest object in the sky except the Sun and Moon. It has a massive 90 times stronger gravity than Earth. It does not have moons and rings. Do you know, 90% of Venus's surface is covered with lava flows and broad shield volcanoes. Earth means the ground. It is the 3rd planet from the Sun and is a rocky, terrestrial planet. Our Earth has 1 moon, and it has water, sun, and food. It means that life is sustainable on Earth. Do you know? Earth's atmosphere protects us from meteoroids and radiation from the Sun. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is the last of terrestrial planets along with Mercury, Venus, and Earth. It has 2 moons. It is believed that Mars might have harbored life in the past and might have living things existing even today. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is the first of the 4 gas giants. It is as big as 317 Earths. It has more than double the mass of all the other planets combined and has 79 moons. The planet has a red spot, which is a storm that has been observed on Jupiter since the planet was discovered. Saturn is the most distant planet, which can be seen with the unaided eye. It is the 2nd largest planet, and it is mainly made up of gas. It has the lowest density of all the planets and has many rings made of ice. Look at the photo. It is no doubt that Saturn is the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Uranus is a giant ice planet where temperature can reach as low as -224 degrees Celsius. It has the coldest temperature out of all the planets, and it's 19 times as far from the Sun as Earth is. It has 27 known moons and 13 rings. Unlike other planets, Uranus is strongly tilted, so it's almost orbiting the Sun on its side. It spins in the opposite direction as most of the other planets. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun and is the smallest of the gas giants. It does not have a solid surface. It takes more than 4 hours for light to reach Neptune from the Sun. It has the most extreme weather and it has 6 rings which circle the planet. Do you know? If you are traveling to Neptune in a spacecraft or rocket, it will take you 10 long years to reach there. This is not the end. We can learn and explore more. The hugeness of the universe makes us curious more about what they have, what happens next, and what all of this will impact us. I hope you enjoy reading this book as much as I did. See you next time.